This little fucker is talking mad shit, so I'm going to fucking turn him into a clown. Holy fuck, he is dog shit. About to make his ass cry. Don't say good luck after all that shit. He is underestimating my cobra. I don't know why though, he goes 51%. He all happy because he is going helly ice. That's crazy, he talks all that, but plays passive. He is really struggling to my eco right now, he is so ass. I thought they were not regen, I swear. No way he dies with a boost. I'm about to spank his ass again. That's crazy, he goes passive twice in a row. Oh damn, he is fucking ass. About to waste his boost. If he doesn't, he is dead. He is dead right here.